Welcome to this guide on how to deploy and set up Mifos X with Apache Fineract on the AWS cloud. In this video, we are going to be discussing Mifos X, Apache Fineract, and the architecture we'll be using for setting it up on the AWS cloud. So, what is Apache Fineract? It's an open source core banking platform written in Java that is used for microfinance, digital lending, and banking systems. Fineract is designed as a platform for developers to build and extend financial solutions. Mifos X, on the other hand, is also an open source financial inclusion platform that provides an off-the-shelf solution for microfinance and digital financial services. It's used for managing loan portfolios, savings accounts, client data, accounting, and financial reporting. Let's take a look now at the architecture for Mifos X. It's a full-stack platform that includes the following components. We have a front-end component in the form of a web and mobile application, and this is what users will interact with. Next, we have the back-end component powered by Apache Fineract that handles all the core logic and database operations. It also provides a RESTful API interface in case you want to build your own applications on top of it. Mifos X also has a reporting component powered by Pentaho for advanced reporting and analytics. This allows generation of financial reports, summaries, and insights based on the data in the system. So, in a nutshell, Fineract refers to the backend engine that provides the core banking capabilities, while Mifos X is a complete solution that packages a front-end and reporting engine alongside Apache Fineract. Let's now move on to the main topic of this video. This is the architecture diagram of our setup. Let's walk through the key components. We'll be deploying our setup in the US East 1 region within the AWS cloud. All the resources are isolated within a VPC, which stands for Virtual Private Cloud. This provides network-level security and segmentation. Within the VPC, we have a public subnet in the US East 1 availability zone. Think of the availability zone as a data center within the US East 1 region, where we will host our application and database. The orange icon represents an EC2, which stands for Elastic Cloud Compute. Think of it as a virtual machine on the AWS cloud, and this is the server our application will be deployed on. The blue icon represents our RDS instance. RDS stands for Relational Database Service. This provides a fully managed database instance for storing all our data. The EC2 instance communicates securely with the RDS instance with the help of security groups, which are like firewalls, ensuring a seamless flow of data between our application and the database. So that's how we are going to implement this project. First, we'll set up the infrastructure using the AWS console. Next, we'll prepare the EC2 by installing our software dependencies like Java and Apache Tomcat web server. Then we'll deploy Mifos X to the EC2 and connect to the database. Finally, after deploying everything, we'll test our application using the web UI.